Hello everyone. In our previous videos, we have seen how to use the subtemplates, how to work with single dataset, multiple dataset, how to do the formats. Okay, these all concepts we have seen in RTF templates. Okay, of Oracle Fusion BI Publisher. Today we will see the concept of style templates. Okay, what are style templates? Style templates are also an .rtf extension templates. In these templates, we will define the styles, okay, named style definitions of particular components inside the Word document, like headers, footers, and we can define the styles for headings and paragraphs, and we can define the styles for the tables. Okay, for these components we can define the named styles, and we will create the samples inside the RTF, and we will create it inside the Fusion BI Publisher with it appear as .xss extension. Okay, once it is created, we can use this on any of the normal reports. Okay, so that the styles will uh, appear on the our templates, report templates. If and this styles will be overridden also. For example, I have created one header and footer within my template, and I am using it in a report. Okay, if I created a style template and I uploaded it into the Fusion, and I have used that on my template, then the default styles the styles which I have mentioned, like header and footer, will be overwritten by the style template. Okay, let me explain those to you. For this style template purpose, I am using one data set. Okay, okay, this is the data set which I am using. This data set is consisting of employee details, okay, like salary, email address, those kind of stuff. And if I click on view, we are able to see those details in the tabular format. Let me select 200 records. Okay, now what I will do here is, let me export this output. Okay, I have saved the sample data. Now let me create one RTF template to use it as a style template. Let me open the Microsoft Word document. Okay, I have opened the Microsoft Word document. uh, let me save. So what I will do is, okay, before saving it, let me define the styles first, named styles. What I am doing here is, I am creating the header. In the header, I am inserting a picture, that means a logo from this device. If I click on this device, I am able to select the pictures. Okay, I have inserted a picture in the header. Okay, now let me go to the footer. In the footer, I will insert the page number, bottom of the page, and I am putting it in the right side. And I am adding some text here, text also here. One minute. Let me add the text here. Okay. Now I have defined the header and footer in this template. Now let me just save this with the .rtf extension. So I have saved it with the name style templates.rtf. Okay. Now let's upload it in the Fusion. Let me open the Fusion instance. Okay, I have opened the Fusion instance. Let me click on create dropdown. We are able to see the style template option. Select it. Once we selected the style template option, we are able to see these features. Here in the templates area, you are able to see one upload button. Just click on upload and choose the file. Choose the template file which you have, a style template file which you have created just now. Okay. Okay, I have choose the file. Let me just click on, let's select the locale. I am selecting the English as locale, and let me click on OK. Okay, once I click on OK, it will show like this here. Locale is English, and default checkbox it will show up. Okay, now you need to save it. If I click on save, I am able to save this. Okay, I have saved it with the name style template. Okay, I have saved it with the name style template, and let me go back. Now we will create one normal template. Okay, let me open another Microsoft Word document. Okay, I have opened another Microsoft Word document. Now what I will do is I will go to publisher and let me load the sample XML which we have downloaded initially. I have uploaded the sample data. Now let me click on all fields. Before clicking on all fields, let me change the layout because we have more columns here. Let me go to layout, orientation. Let me put it landscape. Size is A3. Now let me go to publisher and let me select all fields option. Once I click on all fields option, see we are able to. Okay, I think I have pressed two times. Let me delete it. Delete table. Yes. I have deleted the one extra table. I have like we got all the uh, columns. Now just let me save it with .rtf extension. Okay, I have saved it with the name my main template for style. Okay, now let's upload it into the Fusion instance. Okay, I have opened one report which is associated with this data model. Now just let me click on add new layout, click on upload. Let me give the name. I'm giving it as style, and let me give it as RTF template, and locale is English. Let me choose the file now. Okay, I have uploaded the file main template for style.rtf. Let me click on upload. Once the template got uploaded, just go to view a list. Here you are able to see the formats. I am keeping PDF and Word document only. Okay, and let me select apply style template option here. I selected it. Now here in the apply style template box, click on search icon, and you have to select the style template which you have created and click on OK. So whatever the style template we have uploaded, okay, it will apply on this particular template which you have used. Okay, only when you apply this checkbox, then only it will apply. Okay, now just click on save one more time and click on view report. Once we click on view report, we are able to see the output. See, in the output we are able to see the header, and in the bottom we are able to see the text Fusion HCM number 1. Okay, so this is how we are going to use the style templates. In the main template, if you see here, let me open this. In the style template only we have defined in the main template we have placed only table. We didn't place any header or footer. We have defined those in the style template. Okay, you can use the style template to so many reports. Not only this report, if you want to apply this same style of header and footer, you can use this in other reports also. Okay, like create once and use it in multiple reports. Okay, like this kind of style templates people will use mainly for the branding purposes. For example, if any one of our clients is trying to show the reports with some branding, like they want particular header and footer for all the report outputs, then we can define it in a single place and we can use it for all other templates, so that we need not to create the headers and footers for all the reports again and again. It will decrease our work. Okay, so this is all for the video, guys. Okay, thank you very much.